I remember it clearly. The kind of day when the sun's too bright and the sky's too blue. The kind of day that makes most guys want to get out and mow the lawn or rake leaves into big plastic bags. But I'm not most guys. I'm a detective. Besides, I have allergies. I was looking out the window, wondering about that big fancy limo parked downstairs, when she walked in. She was just my type. Wholesome, buxom, toothsome, and winsome. Made me think some. About what a nice girl like her was doing in a place like this.
Mr. Poland, I need your help.
Sorry, ma'am, all my help quit just last week.
Oh. Then perhaps you could help me.
Well, I hope so, because I sure hate to see a beautiful woman cry.
I'm not crying, I can assure you. Bless you.
Bless you. Call it intuition. Call it genius, if you will. But I was beginning to suspect what really was wrong. Allergies.
Oh, you are a smart man, Mr. Poland.
Smart, but not crazy. I don't like getting mixed up with allergies. Never did. Look, Miss...
Popolopoulos.
Not Mariana Papadopoulos. The temperamental diva who stormed off the stage at La Scala, became a recluse in a small, unnamed principality in Europe, and is about to make a major comeback.
Oh, Mr. Poland, please. You must help me.
I decided to start my investigation at the Opera House. A rundown, musty dive where the rich people pay half a C-note to fall asleep in uncomfortable chairs. Papadopoulos needed help, all right. Someone was trying to sabotage her comeback, ruin her career. But who? Enzo Enzolini, who discovered the diva as a lounge singer in Omaha back in '78? Her overambitious understudy, Lucretia McCord? Gregory Bulgakov, the director whose love and desperate phone calls the diva had never returned? Or Ernst von Flegel, who'd once vowed to give up singing before he'd appear on stage with the diva again?
It's sabotage, I tell you! Sabotage!
She's a mad woman. Get her away from me. She never can hit that high C. That's why she sneezed.
Mariana!
Take that back, you jealous,
Please,
you
to
bitch
calm
has-been!
yourself. Please, to
Did you hear what he said, huh? Did you hear it? Did you hear it?
No, please, Lucretia, I must.
No,
Please, she needs me. All right, then, let's hear it. Sing. So.
please stay out of it. She's out of control. Enzo, please stay out of it. Enzo, she is out of control. Oh, Enzo. Enzo!
Darling, you'll strain your voice. You'll wear yourself out. Oh, you'll ruin your manicure.
Get away from me, you spineless
darling.
lizard!
Oh.
And don't darling me.
But darling, no.
Darling that shameless hussy over there.
Sweetheart,
How dare you? How dare you call me a hussy, you lousy, over-the-hill prima donna?
You'll never take my place.
No, please.
Never.
Darling, sweetheart. Take it from the top.
Backstage was a maze of dimly lit passageways with dust as thick as the sole of my shoe. The place was like a living encyclopedia of every allergen known to man. The vacuum cleaner had a big out-of-order sign dating from Christmas 1953. Oh. The dust was so thick, you could see it, taste it. You could even hear it. My sinuses were pounding like a salsa band on a hot night in Rio. I was starting to wonder why I'd ever taken this job and how I'd gotten myself into a mess like this. That's when I saw them. They looked normal enough, but call it intuition, call it genius, if you will. Something told me there was more to those ruby-red American beauties than met the eye. Ragweed? Achoo! Well, after that, the secret admirer wasn't secret anymore. How did I figure it out? Well, when it came down to it, it was one little clue. But then again, I'm a detective. Of course, if you think you're a detective, go ahead. Solve the mystery. Who tried to do in Papalopoulos? Enzo, who couldn't tame her? Lucretia, who couldn't compare to her? Gregory, who couldn't have her? Or Ernst, who couldn't stand her? You decide. You could get lucky and win a week for two in London, including a way to get there and a terrific place to stay. Sights to see, things to do. You want a hint? What, are you crazy? This is how I make my living. Just complete the postage-paid, self-addressed entry with your video cassette. Check off your suspect, send it in. You'll be included in the drawing for the grand prize trip to London. And you'll get a coupon for Benadryl products so allergic sniffles and sneezes don't sabotage your plans. Because when allergies come on strong, Benadryl comes on stronger. No purchase necessary. All entries must be received by January 31st, 1992. See official rules for complete details. Void where prohibited. The Benadryl Mystery Sweepstakes portrays allergies in a lighthearted way, but allergies can be serious, too. If you have questions about allergies, contact your doctor or pharmacist.